Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox with a VPN on your mobile device. Using a virtual private network can enhance your online privacy and potentially grant access to specific game servers that might be restricted in your current region. It adds an extra layer of security, keeping your online activities more private while you enjoy your favorite games. We will walk through each step to get you set up smoothly. Choosing the right VPN is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. Look for providers with a strong reputation, a clear no-logs policy, and servers located in many different regions around the world. Good providers will also offer fast connection speeds and dedicated applications for mobile phones and tablets, ensuring a seamless setup process for you. Prioritize those with excellent customer support as well. First, download your chosen VPN application from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to create an account or log in if you already have one. After signing in, you will typically see a list of available server locations. Select a server, ideally one close to your desired game server, and tap the Connect button to establish your secure connection. With your VPN now actively connected, simply open the Roblox application on your mobile device as you normally would. The game will automatically route your connection through the secure VPN server you selected. If you encounter any issues, try closing and reopening Roblox, or disconnect and reconnect your VPN. Sometimes, clearing the app's cache in your device settings can also resolve minor problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.